Today, I shall read to you from our Big Red book. This book accompanies me to so many dog hearings over the last 10 years. And I want to talk about um, animal cruelty and animal neglect because in Massachusetts, we've shared with you that they all fall under the same statute, that it is a crime and the same crime considered if you neglect your pet versus physically abusing your pet. So if your dog is too thin, or you've hit the dog with a pipe, everybody's considered under this one statute as being a criminal. And that's really hard to grasp, especially for pet owners who are trying to do everything right. But I wanted to talk today about confining animals in a vehicle. So, what the law tells us is confinement of an animal in a motor vehicle causing exposure to extreme heat or cold is against the law. A person shall not confine an animal in a motor vehicle in a manner that could reasonably be expected to threaten the health of an animal due to exposure to extreme heat or cold. In a manner that could reasonably be expected. What does that mean? That means if your dog is in a car and you're not there, that's the crime in extreme temperatures. But we know that regardless of the temperature outside, the temperature in the car is going to be a lot different. And no matter the condition of your pet, you have committed the crime just by putting your pet in that situation. And whether or not your pet was dehydrated or developed an illness or died or nothing happened, it's all a crime under the statute. And that's concerning. And it certainly has deputized people who see pets in cars to take action. And they can't break into the car. Their initial step should be to call the police or animal control. But there's a fervor that builds up, and suddenly everybody's looking for you, regardless of what store you're in. They're going to try to find you, or you come out, you go to your car, and your pet's not there. So things to be aware of, especially as we come into spring and the warmer weather here in Boston.